How would you like to force Google to give you all of its traffic? I'm talking about where people search for something on Google and Google is going to serve up your website first so that people find what you are putting up and buy from you as opposed to somebody else. If that sounds interesting to you, I think you're going to love what I have to tell you about in my review of SEO Masterclass 2.0. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man in the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull successfully. Well, me, my boy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know by now that you could skip ahead my jokes. Yeah, they're boring. I get it. I tell dad jokes all the time. I'm not even a dad. Go figure. But seriously, if you are new to the channel, here's two things. Review software and info products in the make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's very, very simple to make sure that you don't know anybody much of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, seriously, you just got my cat upset. She came here because she wants to scratch your eyes out because you keep saying that. Okay, stop it. It's not funny. Stop it. See, she's upset. So seriously, if you are new to the channel, these work here. If I like the product, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. And I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz Lemon. I see Liz. She is such a sweetheart. Well, she is a sweetheart. Okay, seriously. Okay, my cat is upset about that too. But seriously, she's a sweetheart. She says the same thing all the time, but who can get angry at her? Anyway, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button at the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so look right now at the sales page for the SEO Masterclass. This is from my friend Trevor Carr and Luann Henry. Now, this is a course that's going to teach you how to drive results on Google. And see here, top of the Google reviews, Google results, 109,000 results. This is what they're getting, the top spot on the on search. Okay, this is what you need in order to be able to drive people to buy from you as opposed to somebody else. And they're going to teach you exactly what you need to do. Now, one of the best ways to do this, by the way, is to actually write blog posts. Okay, and not just blog posts, specifically reviews. Obviously, that's useful, but you also want to write blog posts that are actually going to be useful content. Now, I admit I am bad about this. I have not been doing this, but I am starting to get back into it. I've actually been doing it for a different business of mine entirely that has to do with insurance. And I've been doing this for a while for my insurance business, but I have to start doing this again for this other business for Make Money Online. But I know what you're going to say to me, Eric. I don't want to sit here writing endless blog posts. That's not why I got into this business. I want something done for me. Okay, I want to push a button. I get it. I know you want to push a button. Now, here's where it gets really, really interesting. Okay, you can push a button because what you can do is you can have AI write the content for you. All right, now, there is a problem though, okay, because you're going to think to yourself, oh, Eric, I'm just going to go to ChatGPT. I'll let ChatGPT write the articles for me. Well, you could do that. And I've done that myself. But there's a catch when you have ChatGPT write the articles for you. And I'm going to show you what that catch is. So the problem with ChatGPT writing the articles for you is that it usually does not give you the long form content that you're going to need. So let's go over here. Let me close that up real quick. I was testing this method before. All right, so we're going to go ahead over here and write a blog post on why entrepreneurs fail. Okay. Make it at least 2,000 words. And the reason I put that down is because Google likes longer form content. So the longer you can make it, the better. All right. But the trouble with ChatGPT is that it rarely actually does anything close to the word count you asked for. Now, what's funny, by the way, is actually talking about 2,000 word journey. It's not going to be 2,000 words. I've never ever gotten this thing to do 2,000 words for me. Okay, it is going to write something pretty good. And let's go ahead and we're going to open up a Google Doc, docs.new. All right, and we're going to paste it in and actually see what the word count is over here. Okay, and we can see it's actually writing out a pretty decent looking article for us. Actually, it's not a bad article, but is it the 2,000 words we asked for? I don't think so. All right. We're lucky if this is even 500 words, because in my typical experience, it's been maybe about 400 or 500 words is what the average that ChatGPT will write for us. Let's go ahead and actually check the word count here. 739 words. Not terrible, not great. All right, so let's go here. This is just one example. And one of the things, by the way, that I like about this is that you can specify everything automatically. Of course, you can do that with ChatGPT, but it's a little bit more cumbersome. And this is just one example, by the way, of a website. This one actually paid for, and actually not the best of them as far as doing this. I'm just using this as an example so you can see what's possible. All right, we're going to put down 2,000 words, and let's see what it comes up with. And by the way, this again is a paid website. Now, where you're going to get my custom box, I'm actually going to show you places to get this completely for free. You don't have to pay for the content to be written for you. Okay, 1,183 words. Heck of a lot better than 750 words that we got out of ChatGPT. And we can see here that we've got exactly what we were looking for. Basically, anything over 1,000 words is going to be good. All right, let's actually make sure that we actually have the word count right, because sometimes they do lie about word count as well. And again, this is not my favorite tool for doing this. This is just an example, 1,200 words actually, so it's longer than a claimed 1,100 words, actually 1,211 words. Okay, and we can see here that it did the 1,200 words very, very easily and quickly, as opposed to 750 words. And 750 words, by the way, from ChatGPT, it's actually good. Most of the time, it actually does a lot less. It does like about 300 or so words. Okay, but yeah, that's the issue with ChatGPT. Now, again, what I'm going to show you is places you can do this completely for free. And by the way, again, we used GPT-4, which is a paid version. Let's go ahead and redo this. Let me pull this up real quick. And we're going to make a new chat. We're going to do in ChatGPT 3, which is the free version of ChatGPT. Let's see how long it actually makes it with the free version. Okay, let's check this out. This is what you can do for free. And again, I'm going to show you places to do it for free where it's going to give you the kind of word count that you want. Let's check the word count here now. 750 words, as opposed to we asked for 2,000 words. The other system gave us 1,200 words. And by the way, that one isn't even the best one. Now, in addition to this bonus, of course, you know, I'm not going to give you just one bonus. I'm going to give you a whole bunch of them. So first of all, I'm going to show you 6 different websites. You can actually have articles written for you completely for free using these websites. They all have paid options, but you're going to have 6 different options. So you can actually have them all writing for you for free every single month without having to spend a penny for them. That's number one. But I also want to show you something else, which I think is very, very cool. How many of you are familiar with a website called Quora? Okay, Quora is a question and answer website. Now, when you go to Quora, basically you are supposed to answer questions. What if you could have a system that will automatically find questions that are in your niche and would automatically write answers for you using AI systems? So you just click, 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 and you're done like that. And this is going to drive massive traffic for you. I found a system to do this that you can actually go ahead and sign up for, but I'm not going to just show you how to get it. I'm going to show you how to get it for a one-time fee. Okay, there's a secret website that I found where you can get this for a one-time fee. Ordinarily, the service I found does charge, I think it's like $29 or $39 a month or something like that. I'm going to show you how to get it for a one-time price, and you never have to pay for it again. Okay, but I'm also still not done yet, because the other thing I want to do for you is like this. You want to have articles written for you that are actually about things that people are looking for. Because after all, if you post up articles that nobody's looking for, then nobody's going to find them right? People are, you have to know what people are searching for. Now, you could, of course, try endlessly with keyword research, blah, 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 blah. But I'm going to show you another secret website that you can get, again, completely for free. That's actually going to show you exactly how to get the answers that people are looking, the questions people are looking for. It's actually going to show you what people search inside of Google for. Now, the website I'm going to show you for Quora will show you what questions people are searching for in Quora, but I'm also going to show you one that shows you what questions people are searching for in Google. And specifically, you just put in a simple keyword like affiliate marketing, make money online, entrepreneurship, whatever it is, and it'll actually show you over 1,000 different ideas for blog posts that you can actually go ahead and use these systems with in order to create the content that you need in order to be able to drive serious traffic. So again, let's recap what you're getting from me for, what is it, like $8. Okay, first of all, you're going to get the SEO Masterclass. You're going to get all the bonuses that Trevor and Luann are giving you. But I'm also going to show you 6 different websites to use to get long-form content written for you completely, totally for free without having to spend a single penny. You're going to get the long-form content that Google loves. All you got to do is put in a prompt, and it's going to spit it out for you automatically. And again, this is long-form content where you don't have to worry that it's going to give you 300 or 400 words. It's going to give you the 1,000 words, the 1,500 words that you need in order for Google to really like it and start ranking it. Okay, you're going to get half a dozen different websites that you can do this with. That's the first thing you're going to get from me. The second thing you're going to get from me, I'm going to show you the secret website that you can use to automate answering questions on Quora. Everything gets automated, and I'm going to show you how to get it for a one-time fee instead of having to pay for it endlessly. You're going to pay one time, never again. The third thing I'm going to give you is how to find what people are searching for on Google as far as questions. You're going to get over 1,000 questions listed for you on Google, the exact things that people are searching for. Okay, you're going to get all those things included completely for free from me exclusively. Nobody else has these things. So let's check out the members area. This is just a basic PDF. You can see here what the modules are. Okay, what is SEO? Why Google loves? What Google loves? What Google hates? Excuse me. You can see basically everything that you're going to get included with this package. Exactly what Google is looking for and how to use AI. Now, this is not going to be the same thing I'm showing you. This is going to show you other things as far as like keyword research is concerned, which is useful. But what I'm showing you is how to get all the content written for you automatically, instantly, with completely free results. Okay, so let's see if I'm going to form. Oh, before I forget, check this out. If you come here and you try to exit from the sales page, it's automatically going to give you a $5 off discount. So instead of $12.95, it's actually going to be $7.95 for you to pick this up. So let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not. The man! You're the man! You're the man! Yeah, seriously, you demand. This is awesome. Okay, anytime you can drive free traffic, that is great. I love it. Grab this. It is so worth it, especially for $7.95.